Like something
Oh
new.
my fucking god, Michael.
4 years running.
I appreciate the sweater, but 4 years running, goddamn. The Olympics don't even run that long.
God
Come
damn
on.
it, Jude.
It's 2012. Let's bump it up a notch. If you haven't switched to the cocaine by then, something's wrong with your game, girl.
At least buy you some
Goddamn.
pants.
Can I at least get some dickies? Can I at least get some dickies? Amen. Amen. Thank you, mother. All right. Well, we're gonna let you go for the night. Thank you very much.
Good night, we love you.
What I just started recording.
I love you, Grandma.
Damn it,
All your
Jude.
grandchildren, Tori, anybody
You're not
else
even
around?
shutting up listening to her.
Dylan says I love
Your
you.
daughter is not here. Michael. Anybody else?
Dylan
Good
says
night.
I love
we
you.
love you. Dylan says he loves you
Sleep
extremely.
nice with food.
Good night. Tell Fergie we said good night. And
Tell Snowball we said good night.
tell Snowball
And Peach
good night. And Peach Man, because
Peaches.
that's my
And
dude.
Peaches.
And
Tell
Kush.
Peaches, please.
Michael doesn't like Kush. He wants to kill
Fuck
her.
Kush. Alright, Granny.
Children,
We love you. Sorry for this drunk message. And not a sweater next year, okay? Okay. Acceptable. Acceptable. More than
There's a
acceptable.
bitch coming that bikini,
Hey.
Grandma.
It's summertime. I love that during summer. Winter, it's all in storage, but summertime, all game. Thank you. Good night. Love you too. Get.
You hung up on Granny.
That's
my
good.
phone.
That's her phone.
Good night. Take your phone. Where's my beer?
Oh no. You can bring one outside.
Happy birthday.
Damn, dude, I can't believe this just
And
out.
good
Try to give him a
Oh, with the hairy ape.
It's too dark out here.
Wait, give me your phone. What? Nope, let's do it.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, that's gross.
More than enough. That's more than enough.
Yeah!
Good night, Everett.
Everett!
Where's the pink?
Where
I'm so freaking glad none of you are driving.
Car's on lock, keys are locked away.
Just kidding. I'm back.
Guess who else is on for a phone call? We just called Granny! Again?